Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. My name is Steve. You can also call me Spike, whichever you prefer. After weeks of persistence, patience, and a whole lot of skunked trips, the Coho finally tested my limits. Today I decided to switch things up, experimenting with a new technique, twitch jigging, to see if I could finally crack the code. But it wasn't just the technique, it was all about adapting, learning, and knowing when to change the game completely. With one last push, I pulled out the fly rod, my trusty little partner, for the final stretch, and it led to something incredible. After a month of chasing this moment, I finally landed the catch I've been waiting for. And here's how it all went down. Come back here. taking you home, buddy. Bound to determined to finally catch something, and I can't believe I actually caught it on the fly rod. That's super stoked, and she's a big size too. Now, time to get her all cleaned up. Got her sitting in a bucket of water. Get all that blood out. Hopefully I cut the gill right. I'm sure there's multiple ways to do it, but that's the way I did it. Alright, time to get her out. Start chopping her up. See how well we can do. I wonder if I should pull out my table. Yeah, I think I'll pull out the table. So I did start off right. I did the first cut right. For the first time, I think I did okay. But I definitely butchered the fish, and I probably wasted a good, I don't know, 20-30% of my fish. That's alright, because you'll find out why here in a little while. Maybe we should Google how to do this. I should have learned on a smaller fish. Why didn't I catch such a big fish?
keep the head?
What's that?
You gonna keep the head?
No.
Can I get it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Only one?
Yeah, first one finally.
You wanna eat that thing?
Oh yeah. It's not as red as it usually is, but
Yes, it's getting more later. But this is pretty old. I'm using this only for bait.
yeah, I've never done this before. This is my first time.
Wow, okay. And usually people don't take home if it gets some color. It's not orange. Usually meat
Yeah.
is soft.
A lot of
Getting mushy.
them are like this. That's why it's probably too late in the season.
Yeah.
I'll take some home.
Yeah, good luck with it.
And then I got to get out early next year.
October, early November.
I think this is a male.
Yeah, it's a male. It's a male to the white one.
Yeah. So you just want the head?
If you don't need the rest of them, I will take everything.
Yeah, you want to take the rest?
Just cut the fillets. Oh, you did it already?
Yeah, I got the fillet.
If you don't need any parts of it, I will take it. Thank you so much.
Sure. Yeah, I was just gonna throw it in the river.
That's a few sturgeon.
There you go.
They'll love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What did you get on the jig?
Fly.
Fly.
Yeah.
No, people is getting pretty successful here on the fly.
Yeah. That's what I was told. I was like, okay, well, try it out. I mean, I've been here for 3 or 4 days, so finally got something. So I'm happy.
Nice. Good luck.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know how well I did, but I got it all done. I just gotta go clean up. Oh, I got a little bit of dirt in there. A little bit of dirt, not gonna hurt nobody. Time to throw those bad boys in the freezer. It's a little red, a little colored, but hopefully see some good eating still. Time to go have a shower. I haven't had a shower in a few days, so time to go have a shower, grab some cream. Maybe we'll come back out. Maybe we'll do a couple more casts before we leave the area. Finally actually pulled out my sinks for the first time. I haven't used the second one, but I used one already before and I like them. So it was actually good to actually wash my teacup, because normally I just wipe it down with some vinegar and water and call it done, but tea gets a little build up, so it's a little tough to clean once in a while. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a minute. We're gonna cook a couple hot dogs. Yeah, we're gonna throw a couple hot dogs in the frying pan with some onions and have a couple hot dogs. Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'm so happy I finally got one of those salmon on a fly rod nonetheless. Oh yes, so happy. Need a food. Hello, you starved me, sir. Sir, please feed me. Feed me, sir. Sir? Excuse me, sir. You cannot starve us. That's illegal. Oh yeah, we were stopped by conservation officers twice today. First ones were green shirt. I don't know what the difference is. And these guys were black shirts. Kind of cool. At the same time, we did get confirmation that bringing the salmon to the van was the right call. That way I clean the salmon here at the van, make sure I toss my guts into the river. That way they're not just sitting around attracting bears and wolves and whatever. Because usually they get rotten pretty quick. And then they stink up the place. Yeah, I accidentally stuffed my rod into some salmon. And then I accidentally touched that piece of like disgusting salmon on one of my cushions, so now I have rotten salmon smell in my van. That's fun. So I took a wet wipe to my fishing rod and just cleaned it the best I could, but it still smells. I don't know why I did that, but just in the hype of the moment when I was catching that fish, I accidentally put my rod in some guts and bleh, got it down my shirt or my jacket and had to rinse that off. Yeah, we're gonna have to wash that jacket. It's just got salmon guts just all over it, top to bottom. Probably do that this winter or Christmas. We'll do that this Christmas break. I just got invited to go sturgeon fishing. Oh my goodness, guys. I am so freaking excited. I've never been gone sturgeon fishing, and apparently they're protected species, so we can't keep them, but at least I got the license and we can go fish them. Yes. Oh man, I'm so excited for tomorrow, guys. 8 o'clock at the boat launch. Let's go. We're gonna throw a couple hot dogs in here. I don't know if I'm that hungry anymore. I'm so stoked to go fishing for sturgeon. quick and easy hot dog, and then go shower. I'm just gonna end it here, guys. Thanks for watching for today's episode. We also ran into the CO today. It was good to know that bringing the fish to the van was a good idea. That way it's legal, because this is my permanent residence, so it's like a gray area, they said. So it's good to know that what I did was right, instead of cleaning it at the river, like way down there, and then bringing all my fillets up here. I make my fillets here. Good to know. The other good thing to know is throwing the guts in the river is also a good idea, but donating your guts to somebody who goes sturgeon fishing is even a better idea. We're going sturgeon fishing tomorrow. All right, guys, hopefully he's all right with me recording. I wouldn't see any reason why not, even if I just get, you know, me catching a sturgeon for the first time. That would be amazing. Can't wait. Tomorrow morning. Got my alarm set up, so I'm gonna race back into town, have a shower, get all cleaned up, grab a few things, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning on the next episode of Life with Spike. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.